Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade XAUUSD aka gold on the AvaTrade broker. So right now we are here on the chart and you need to click here on trade and select your trading account right here that you want to use. And then after that we can search right here for a symbol. So let's say we want to trade gold, that is XAU. Then we click here on gold and then right now we have XAU to USD. Now, if you search here for XAUUSD, you will find exactly the same because that is gold and it's standing here in dollars. So that is the one that we were searching for. Then right now you have the chart right here. And if you want to buy or sell something, you click here on buy or sell what you want. And then this screen will appear. Then right now, let's say we want to buy gold. We click here on buy and then from here you can select here the troy ounces. So let's say 5, then the margin impact is this, the value is like this. And then you can click now immediately on buy and then we just, bought some nice gold. But we can also click on take profit or stop loss to create a stop loss or take profit. But let's buy something, just click here on buy. And right now position gold opened. And now if we go right here to orders, or sorry, no positions, you will find here the position that we just created. So this is how you can trade XAUUSD, aka gold. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.